और Kapatisi TV
Puli MBBS ha India ne Shabal ri kum ha Russia, Uzbekistan, Georgia, China, Philippines bat kiwe de kiri kidi kitop medical colleges bat ru ha kador babiang
ka umdi basnyam bat penjasliang Umrupa Premium Meghalaya
Sembut mendirang ba ka jela obakmi ikatna transport ba snyau bhalang dhar ula batha ikatna transport bakan le daga bating persha ikinu ki kali Shimet ki bekit ikinong let nangwan ko kali Kamai yakani karai la shim hading jing sha penyam padang shen jono jungo kai perthei na indoor hasora uraja raguvanshi ulong bagi kali Shimet kimla ban shim bujli kum kali Kamai namal bagadang kaan ko perking halorkani
transport officer to take action accordingly.
So action
Especially after the Sonham case happening.
So they will not be allowed to use the private?
No. There is a law. They should follow that. Exactly. This is a good question. But we are only aware from the day one only. We had a meeting, make sure all the private vehicles should not use as commercial vehicles. We are doing that properly.
But these private scooties are actually
Same thing.
Still using.
That's why we are finding them. If we find them they are doing illegal, they have to pay the fine, or they have to be as per law only.
From the hills of the east, a new voice rises. Hello Meghalaya, our state's first ever OTT platform streaming stories, music and dreams. From folklore to films, beats to breakthroughs. This is where culture meets creativity. Discover award-winning talents, breakthrough creators, and untold stories that deserves to be seen. From soulful podcasts to live streams and dreamers. This is your stage, your spotlight. Hello Meghalaya. Your story starts here.